G'day guys, Mark here, welcome to the channel. Well, the first mods for our flatbed trailer have arrived, so let's have a look at them. We have got some scale ratchet straps. No way. Together. So, oh yeah, the strap is a piece of ribbon, okay, with a hook on the end of it. I don't know if you guys could see that clearly. Alright, and then this end of it, no way. Actually, yeah, I would bring the camera over here, but then it's going to make it difficult to show you that part. So, look at that. That is incredible. That has all the details of a real ratchet strap. That is unreal. And it even clicks like it. Wow. Righto, so we've got the trailer here in front of us. Now we've got a pre-made cargo crate here, and I have loaded it with old 22 shells as ballast, so that weighs 700 grams of brass. Righto, so let's just get a little a line up there, and let's load this strap up. So, yes, it goes straight into the hole. Just like a normal strap. Hang on, dingus. I had it upside down. Go, we got it. Okay, not the easiest thing in the world to thread, but then we just hook this end into here, no way. That has legitimately pinned that down. Wow. And it even comes with the little, so then you can push it right down and clip it in. That is unreal. Alright, I'll bring the camera over here, guys, so you can get a look at that. Cool. Alright. So I'm not exactly sure how yet. I'll work out a way to do a run of some kind here inside the house with both trailers, and then give this one a good run. But don't panic, there will be more truck action coming. I'm planning on going to a truck show here in Australia, so and I'm pretty confident that we will find something to put on here that looks like legitimate freight. So anyway guys, I will catch you in the next video, whatever it is. Peace out. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you to the Legend crew. Catch us in the next video.